Alright, some causes for the 1870 code in 406Gs. This here's a 95 model. 95, 96, I've even seen them in 97s. This little orifice cup plug here and give you that code. So what I do, you'll need a rag, put your rag over it, get you a scribe. It's got a pretty long hook. You're going to get up in that hole where it is. You can take your screwdriver and you can go underneath it and give you some leverage. It's going to take quite a bit of pressure. Just pop it out. And on the back side you see this plastic. Get you a pair of pliers to hold it. Get you a drill bit that fits down inside there. The size of it doesn't really matter that much. What you want to do is you're going to want to go slow enough to grab the plastic and suck it out of there. Once you see the plastic turning, maybe a little bit too big. Get a little bit of a smaller drill bit. Let's see what this one does. Of course, on camera we're gonna do a problem. Here we go, sucked it right out. Up inside there's a spring, and then there's a little bitty check ball. Take that stuff out. Make sure it's nice and free. Put the capsule back in where it was. Go just below flush. And then stake it in place. About time to get a new center punch. Everything wanting to give fits today. Don't want it coming back out. You don't want it in too far to interfere with the valve, so you put your valve back in and springs. Washer. Let's get back up here where we can see maybe. valve's nice and free. Another cause of 1870 code. Got a little filter right there. Take that and throw it away. The biggest cause is this valve right here. This is a early model. This is a 95. This here over here is a 06 model. So what I do, the 05s have this bigger spring. There's lots of ways to do this. You can do it any way you want to. All you need to do, really be concerned with is blocking this valve to where it doesn't move. And the way I do it is, the ones that have this big spring, you either put a inner pump slide spring from a 4L60 700 in there. I've gotten to where the part suppliers are trying to tell me they can't get it anymore. So I quit trying to order it. So I just find a check ball. This one's 340 thousandths. I've also taken the ones out of these capsules and put in there. It's good enough. But I take it, put the inner valve in first, put the ball in, put the next valve in, and then put the plug in. And it seems to be about the right amount of distance. And you really got to push it in there. There you go. Now that valve ain't going nowhere. The later ones, see, it's got the little spring. So what I do is take a little grease, put 1/4 inch check ball in each end, put the spring in between, I usually don't even take this inner valve out. I just drop a ball in there, put the spring back, and put the other ball in this end. I just took it out to show. Okay, quit messing with me. Sometimes you have to maneuver the spring into place. Here we go, popped in. Yep. Not quite. There we go. Yeah, that one ain't moving either. The other thing you need to do, find you a drill bit that'll fit in there. As long as it'll fit inside that hole, is good. And you just want to take and buzz that just a little bit so that this ball you take out of this capsule will fit below a lot. It'll drop that ball down and keep it off that plate. That's another thing that causes 1870 code. This drill bit here I use is a 312 thousandths.